Okay, now that we've made our cranberry sauce with the port wine, we're going to do a variation now. We're going to be doing a cranberry sauce with garlic and onion, a little more savory. Okay, we're going to put in 2/3 cups of orange juice, and this is going to be over high heat. We're going to put in our cinnamon stick, and then we're going to put 1½ cups of orange marmalade in here. This is going to add a great base to it and a great thickener already. So just choose any type you'd like. This one we're going to use the whole jar, as I said, 1½ cup. This happens to be from California. Okay. Get that into your cup. And then at that point it's really easy to go ahead and put it into here. Most of it will come out much easier than out of the jar. Make sure you get it all out. What we're going to do is bring this to a boil, and you'll see how this all melds together, how the marmalade thickens this up.